Good afternoon, everyone. There's a Mercedes Benz tow truck towing a big lorry or a big truck, another big truck. This is about 3.5 ton truck. Oh, tiba-tiba sa Hicom. Hicom is Isuzu. Oh, this place, this is where I live. Honda City, hatchback. You got Toyota Vios. You got a very old Honda Civic. This is I think about maybe the 5th or 6th generation of Honda Civic. Oh, this is a Nissan Versa. Known as Nissan Lacio here. Yeah. And then we have a little brother, the older generation, the Nissan Sentra 1.6. This one is here probably around 1997. Oh, this is a local car, Proton Escort. There you go. Okay, here we are. Alright, the tow truck towing away a very big lorry. This one is for, it's been abandoned here for some time. So the people to put a notice on it to ask the owner whether he wants to sell it or not. This is very valuable because you can convert it into race cars with the engine swap K24 or K20. This thing can beat a McLaren or even beat a Porsche 911 Carrera. Alright, thanks for watching. Really noisy. The Mercedes Benz tow truck is very old, so it hardly has enough energy to pull the big Isuzu truck or lorry, 3.5 ton lorry. Alright, see you guys. Goodbye and take care.